Hi, I'm John Taggart, the founder of Taggart Media Group. And if you're an HVAC business owner looking to generate serious revenue, well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we generated over $1 million in HVAC quotes in just 90 days and how you can do the same for your HVAC business. These are the same proven strategies we used for a real HVAC client up in the Pacific Northwest that led over to $918,000 in quotes and $282,000 in real revenue from just one salesperson. So let's dive in. Step one is you need to get Google Guaranteed. This is a local service program offered by Google that helps your HVAC business appear at the top of search results when people are searching for a trusted HVAC contractor. It builds instant credibility and, most importantly, trust. Your business shows up first, and it shows potential customers that Google backs your services. Having this badge will get your business more qualified sales calls and less tire kickers. Step two is you need to optimize your Google My Business profile. Your Google My Business profile is often the very first impression people have of your HVAC company. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are correct. Pretty straightforward. And you want to make sure you upload high quality photos of your team, jobs you've done, and your trucks. Keep your hours up to date and your info fresh. A well-optimized profile helps you show up in local searches, especially in the Google Map Pack. This is one of the highest converting places to be. Step three is get more reviews. Pretty straightforward as well, but reviews are one of the most powerful tools for building trust. So start asking past clients for honest feedback. The more 5-star reviews you get, the more likely potential customers are to choose you, and the higher you'll rank in local search. And at the end of this video, I'll share how to automate this process so it runs completely in the background and on autopilot. Step four is you need to have an HVAC optimized website. Your website needs to do more than just look good. It needs to convert, and to convert, it must create trust that you can take your potential customers from their current situation, let's say a broken heat pump, to their desired outcome, a cool or warm home that they feel comfortable in. It must load fast and obviously look great on mobile and have clear calls to action, like phone numbers or get a quote button. Whatever the goal is for each page, only have one call to action of what you want your site visitors to take. When we optimized the site for our client, 71% of the leads came directly from phone calls made from their website. What does this exactly mean? Well, they saw our ad, clicked on it, explored around the site, felt great about the company, and called them directly. That's how powerful good web design can be. And at the end of the day, the only thing you're selling is trust. Step five, you want to add an online estimate generator. Look, not everyone wants to call. I know this because I'm a millennial and I hate phone calls. Adding an estimate tool to your site gives visitors a fast, low pressure way to get a ballpark idea of what things are going to cost and to become a lead. It saves your team time, pre-qualifies leads, and increases conversions. We've seen a big spike in lead for every HVAC company we've added this to. This also allows you to drop these people into an email automation that will create trust. Explain why they should choose your HVAC business over a competitor, answer common questions, and at the end of the day, get them excited to contact your business, all while on autopilot. Step six, start local services ads on Google. So once your website is in place and you're set up with Google Guarantee, it is now time to fill your lead pipeline with local services ads. These are the ads at the top of search results and Google Maps. The great thing is you only pay for actual leads, not impressions or clicks, making this a cost-effective way to get your phone ringing fast. Plus, these ads show your Google Guarantee badge, which instantly builds more trust. Step seven is run Google search ads. Search ads allow you to target people actively looking for HVAC services in their area. That means high intent and high conversion potential. You can bid on terms like AC repair near me or HVAC installation in your city and appear exactly when someone needs your services. Just make sure you set up call tracking so that you know which ads are actually generating phone calls, leads, and most importantly, revenue for your business. Step 8 is use an exit intent offer. What happens when someone visits your sites and they leave? Well, they're gone. So that's where an exit intent offer comes in. Before they exit, show them a pop-up with something of valuable to offer. A discount, a free estimate, something to download, and just ask for their name and email. It's a smart way to grab leads that might have slipped away otherwise. Last but definitely not least is step 9, set up email automations. Email marketing still delivers the highest ROI of any marketing channel. It's around a 38 times return. Every form submission, every online estimate, every exit intent lead, they should automatically be dropped into one of these email automations. The first email should be a welcome email with the information they requested. Then send them why they should choose you over your competitors, FAQs, customer reviews, promotions, and clear ways to contact you. Think of these automations as like having a digital salesperson working 24/7 for you, even while you're asleep. It's all automated and it keeps your brand top of mind while building trust with leads. Look at these 9 steps, when executed properly, helped one of our HVAC companies bring in $1 million in quotes and almost $300,000 in revenue in just 90 days from one salesperson. Now, let's talk about what makes this even more valuable for you. If you run an HVAC business doing $1 million or more in annual revenue, I can personally guarantee you at least 10 to 20 new HVAC installs every single month, and I'll do it on a 100% paid per install basis, meaning you don't pay for clicks, you don't pay for leads, you don't pay for tire kickers. You only pay when a closed install puts money in your bank account. That's when we get paid. We've generated over $7.5 million in revenue for our clients in the past 12 months, and now I'm looking to partner with just a few more HVAC companies in select markets. If you're ready to grow your HVAC business without gambling on bad leads or overpriced retainers, click the link below, watch a short video, and schedule a free call with me today. We'll go through everything, where you're at, what's working, and how we can help you generate more installs with no upfront risk. Looking forward to connecting.